Look at these perfectly scalloped potatoes. It's cooked in just 18 minutes. And there's only one appliance that can cook like that, the Advantium speed oven. The Advantium's been around for over 20 years, and honestly, I've overlooked it most of that time. It's probably not on your shopping list either, yet. In this video, I'll show you the Advantium's unique features, the models worth buying, the ones you should avoid. But first, let's talk about what the Advantium actually is. It's a microwave in a speed oven. It's convection. It's also a sensor microwave. It can also warm and proof. That sounds like a lot of the speed ovens from Wolf, Thermador, or Miele, and those are excellent products. But the Advantium does something different. In addition, it also uses high-powered halogen bulbs on the top and bottom. That's why those scalloped potatoes were so perfectly browned. Those bulbs crisp the outside while the microwave cooks the inside. Most speed ovens combine convection and microwave. They cook food faster, using both together so you don't lose the texture. But they don't brown or crisp nearly as well because they don't incorporate the additional halogen heat. So the Advantium could broil, brown, and even toast better than a typical speed oven. The technology is simple too. You can put the food in, tell it how you want to cook, and the oven figures out the rest. Or you can choose from 175 pre-programmed recipes that make the whole process easy. The other advantage is the smaller size because it can heat up and cook faster than your main oven. So you're not waiting 20 minutes just to roast a few potatoes or reheat leftovers. However, because it's significantly smaller than your range or wall oven, it cannot do that holiday turkey. But it's not always easy to buy the right Advantium. There's several models and some make more sense than others. So let's start with the ones I would avoid. The first is the over-the-range microwave version because it doesn't vent properly. If you're serious about cooking, an over-the-range microwave is usually about 16 inches deep. That's not nearly deep enough to vent properly for the front stove burners you use underneath. So I don't recommend an over-the-range Advantium, especially if you cook on the front burners of your range. Your next decision is power. These ovens are available in 110 or 220 volt. 110 plugs into a regular outlet, but the 220 version is much faster. It gives you the full benefit of the speed cooking technology. So if you're installing one as a built-in, I strongly recommend going with 220 volts, just like your regular wall oven. Then there are the different brands. You can buy Advantium under the Profile Cafe or Monogram labels. Functionally, they're very similar. The biggest difference is the screen and the handle design. If you're buying the Advantium on its own, the Profile model is the smartest choice. So how do you know if the Advantium is right for you? Best way is to see one in action. Ask for a demo at your local appliance store so you can really understand what it can do. If they're cooking food, even better. We do live cooking demos 5 days a week. But the bottom line is this: the Advantium can do more than most speed ovens, usually at a fraction of the price. And if you love to cook, it's definitely worth considering for your kitchen. And if you're looking for a different type of cooking technology, take a look at this video about steam ovens. And thanks for watching.